Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the new mini achievements called Safari Harvest Achievement in Grow Garden game of Roblox Safari Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to complete the achievement, you can go to the garden guide and then you can go to the mini achievements and select the Safari Harvest achievements. Okay, and these are the missions that you need to complete. You will have 24 missions. Okay, and yeah, it's kind of difficult, but it's not impossible. And from this achievement, from completing this achievement, you will get Safari Crate, Savanna Crate, and then this fence, and Safari Egg, and also the Safari Seed Pack. And yeah, and tips from me guys, if you want to get easier in completing the obtaining pet missions, you can work with your friend. For example, if you don't have a Reno, you can borrow the Reno from your friend who has a Reno. And then you can give the Reno back to your friend after you complete this mission. Okay. It's easier than hatching the egg, but as you can see that we have mission to hatch 15 Safari eggs. Okay, so you need to stand by on the game and buy the Safari egg, as many as you can from here, from the Safari shop. You need to plant the orange delight as well. Okay, and Protea and Safari seed pack. I'm going to buy it as well. And yeah. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Safari Harvest achievement in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.